Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. This week I'm calling it Mini Capstone Week, but we have that engagement essay final draft due. You have the rough draft of your mini capstone, and I would like to conference with you for roughly about 15 minutes. I've sent you a link to my meeting availabilities, so if you could get those meetings and therefore your papers by Friday, that would be great. I've given you lots of indications on how to write this paper in the mini capstone folder as far as the library, in addition to library resources and how to do that. I'd be welcome to answer any questions that you have, but we are winding down. We're almost there. So I hope you are having a great week. I will also post towards the end of this semester, if you haven't met with me, the next step from the Honors Seminar is an Honors Impact Project. And basically you will enroll in your normal classes and you will ask to have a faculty mentor, and that you'll complete some sort of an additional assignment. It could be maybe you'll lead the review session or you'll create notes in a PowerPoint, but you'll work with that teacher and you will need to submit that plan to me, and then the work. It's not really labor intensive. Check out that website as well so that you have an idea of what to expect. But that's what's going on. If you need me, don't hesitate to reach out, and I look forward to meeting with you all. The meetings will be via Zoom, unless you tell me otherwise, and we can make that happen. So talk to you soon. Bye-bye.